How to change Capcut background without using a green screen. First thing you want to do is go ahead and pull up your Capcut application. And from here, all you have to do is to import all of the videos that you need. So this is the picture that I want the background to be removed, and this is the video that I want this to be a background. Now, all you need to drag first is your first picture or first video. Now what you need from here, if this is currently not on green screen, click on the picture video and then go to remove background instead of basic. Scroll down and then here if you have a green screen then you can choose or click this one. If you don't have a green screen and you just want the background to be removed, all you have to do is go to auto renewal. Now it will automatically remove the background, and then the second thing you need to do is to add your main background. Alright, so there you go. So that's how you change background in CapCut without using a green screen.